Racing as expected, we have a speed of the windbreak with little start running by the rail comes Balinganda. Down on the inside is Tiger Epic. Kuya bend in the middle portion. Senior J. Dash of Humor comes next, then followed over by Boyo. Shining Gold is down on the inside. Deadly Storm. Supreme Leader comes next, then followed by Speed Admiral. While Chapel Gord is the early trailer by about 14 lengths of the leader, and as they swing down the back, we have a speed of the wind by about 2 lengths. Moving up now on the outside is Kuya Bend. Down on the inside is Tiger Epic. Balinganda comes next, Shining Gold, then followed over by Senior G. Then next on line is Boyo. In the middle portion, Deadly Storm. Supreme Leader, Dash of Humor comes next, Chapel Guard. While Speed Admiral still racing in last 400 meters of the race. We have Kuya Ben now takes command by the link. Down on the inside is Speed of the Wind coming closer now into the Shining Gold as they swing for home. We have Kuya Ben by our link and a half. Speed of the Wind in second, moving up Deadly Storm, Supreme Leader. Last 50 meters we have Kuya Ben, and finally Kuya Ben second, close between Supreme Leader, Deadly Storm, then comes Senior J.
Number 5.